Number 3. Number 2.
I got a whole crew of people, I call all of them fam. And whenever we're together, got the world in my hand. Said the future's looking bright, I got my feet in the sand. I say, hey, I'm all about it, taking that chance. I got my eye on all the prizes, got my threads on, they be styling. Can you pick up what I'm vibing? Don't you hold it back, don't fight it. I said, hey, we just wanna play. Don't care what they say, we do it our way. I'm the real thing. I'm the real thing. Do you feel me? I'm the real thing.
Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling like you feel me. Ain't no problem. It's the real me. Yeah, I'm feeling like you feel me. Ain't no problem. It's the real me. I feel it. That's the realest feeling I know.
And the number 1.
How's the weather today?
Look at me, what do you see? Everybody says you ain't got no clue. Well, you ready, ready. You're lazy and you're wrong. Everything you wanted is gone, gone, gone. You're free. There's no bigger than me. And baby, you can see. So stop letting me. Take a look at me. What do you see? Gotta be free. Stop letting me. Well, I gotta be free. There's no bigger than me. And baby, you can see. Stop. There's no bigger than me. And baby, you can see. Stop letting me.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Have a good day.